Hello world, Shelly here, and today I've got for you a try-on of my May Boxycharm box. I have not done one of these try-ons in a while, but rest assured I have not stopped my subscription to Boxycharm. Actually, I upgraded to Boxy Luxe, so every third month I get the high-end, larger box. Yeah, the luxury box. But your typical Boxycharm subscription is monthly. You get 4 to 5 full-size products for $21 a month and free shipping to the contiguous US. And I love it. I very rarely am disappointed in my Boxycharm boxes. I've probably been subscribing, it's got to be at least 2 years now, and every other subscription I've done, and I've done almost all of them, the Ipsy, the Birchbox, it's after a while they get repetitive, and I have not had that problem with the Boxycharm boxes, so I keep on subscribing. So I've got the May box. Their theme is Make Waves, and every month you get an info card that has all the products listed on it, so you don't have to guess what they're for, because sometimes you've not heard of these brands and you don't know what the heck you're dealing with. So I definitely appreciate that. This month's box is worth $104 retail price for my 21 bucks. And the first product I can't demo because it's a face cleanser. And even if I hate it, I haven't tried it yet, but it's staying on the counter because, oh, look at this. It's from Glam Glow. This is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser, and this packaging is to die for. Gentle, but make it bubbly. It's a daily conditioning gel cleanser that gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. It's got oat amino acids to condition. It's a vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract. Deep cleans, removes impurities, and has no soap, no fragrance, no SLS or SLES, and it is approved for all skin types. This retails for $28. This is going straight on my sink, and I'm going to look at it every day, and I might pet it sometimes. And I'm going to try it. The next 4 products in this box I am going to try on for you right here. I've clearly got my base looking like a ghost, just have a little bit of bronzer on because this box came with a blush palette. I've got from Alamar Cosmetics the Colorite Blush Trio. Here is the packaging. Dun. We have a mirror, and we have what appear to be 3 somewhat shimmer shades of blush. And let me swatch them for you and for me so I can figure out which one I'm going to put on my face. We have 2 peachy shades. This one runs a little bit more orange. This is the one called Castaway. This is the one called Scorcher. It's a little bit more of a fiery orange undertone, and then we have a pink called Paraiso. This trio is described as formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, buttery smooth, highly pigmented, completely vegan, and it gives you a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. Retails for $22. I think I'm going to go with the middle shade. I very rarely go orange with my blush because I prefer cool tones. I'm pretty neutral, so I could go either way, but I'm going to dip in. This is a Wet n Wild. I love these brushes. Wet n Wild blush brush. Get a little product. I'm going to tap it a little off because you know I don't like to go ham with my blush. Let's see here. When they say highly pigmented, I get highly nervous. Oh, no, this is going on nicely. I like this. This is pretty. I think that did blend out very smoothly. Very pretty. Thumbs up on the Alamar. I've never tried anything from this brand before. There's no highlight in this box, so I'm going to go in with my Natasha Denona Super Glow because reasons. Oh my god. I can't even with this highlight, you guys. So we have 2 eye products in this box. One is a glitter liquid shadow, like my favorite things ever. This is from Ciate London. It is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and this retails for $22. I have the shade, does it say? I don't see a shade name on here, so we are just going to swatch it. Doe foot, a little paddle doe foot. Oh, you know what this looks like? This looks almost exactly like, here it is. Do you see the shift? This color shift looks almost exactly like the color shift in the Tickle highlight in the Benefit Cheek Leaders Pink Squad palette. Maybe I should put some of this on. Let's, shall we? More is more, y'all. We also have from Bodyography an eyeliner pencil, vegan, cruelty-free, antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E, smooth, long wearing. They have the wrong description because it's talking about defining the lips. And this is an eyeliner pencil in emerald green. So typo on there, retail price $14. So I'm going to use this as well. And I figured we would kind of do a little twofer, and a few of you were asking for me to share an eye look from the Villains palette, this Villains Misunderstood from ColourPop. So I'm going to use this palette and these eye products. This palette did not come in the Boxycharm, but I think we can do something fun with it. I have already primed my lids with the good old MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and I'm going to start out with the shade Tragic here and use that as a transition. This is my Wayne Goss 03 brush. Next, I'm going to dip into this orange shade Devious with my Sigma E25 and use that for a crease color. I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is a Smith 253 and this purple shade Forest of Thorns, and use this on the outer half of the lid. I'm going to mix the tiniest bit of this dark 101 shade with a little of the orange and a super small Wayne Goss number 17 blending brush and use that to deepen the crease just a little bit. And I'll take a little bit of No Spots on my brow bone. Time for the eye luster from the Boxycharm box. I'm going to use this on the inner third, holy cow, of my lid. Once I get to the overlap, I'm just very lightly trying to feather it to blend the two together. That is beautiful. Holy cow. I'm going to take the emerald green Bodyography liner on my lower lash waterline. I think that applied easily and is nice and colorful and opaque, which is what I want in a waterline pencil. And last, I'm going to take a little smudger brush and what are we going to smudge out with? I can't resist. I'm going to take a little bit of this green, the Facile shade. And just on this outer corner, smudge green. And then we will be neutral for the rest. I promise. Just like the outer third. And the rest I will go with that orangish shade. I'm going to take a little bit of this Mongrels and use that for inner corner highlight. I use the CoverGirl Exhibitionist on the top lashes and the Estee Lauder Double Wear Zero Smudge on the bottom. And the last thing we've got in this Boxycharm is a liquid lip from Dose of Colors. And I've heard that their liquid lips are awesome, and I have never tried one. So this is a good thing for me. It is your new Dose of Colors Velvety High Fashion Matte Finish. Envelops lips in rich long wearing color, applies as a creamy liquid. After a few minutes, dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. Retail price $18. I've got the shade Truffle. Let's see how this swatches. It looked like a nude, sort of neutral nude in the, in the tube. Let's try it. Very nice doe foot applicator, like a legit doe foot there. And here is the finished look. This Ciate, oh goodness gracious, dare I say, you know, I've got a wicked collection of the Stila Glitter and Glow and Shimmer liquid shadows. Dare I say, between this and the Smith & Coults that I've been playing with recently, doggone, these are nice. I'm afraid I don't want to jump to conclusions and say I like them more than my Stilas, because the Stilas are so reliable. However, holy cow, they have really nailed the colors and the color shifts on these, and this is gorgeous. Super high thumbs up on that one. The blush palette, I won't get much use out of the peach shades, but I do think it's nicely blendable. It is nicely pigmented. Maybe not the right colors for my wheelhouse, but I think the product overall is a good quality, enjoyable. I will keep you posted on the Glam Glow Cleanser. The eyeliner pencil gets a thumbs up for me. Go Bodyography. That was lovely, and so far, I'm liking the Dose of Colors lip. I'll leave some notes on the wear because I'm about to go have a sandwich. So I will let you know how well it wore through a meal. There you have it. That is my May Boxycharm. I will continue to do these every so often. I know you guys get tired of seeing Boxycharm boxes all over the place, but I'll do them every so often because I do enjoy playing with new makeup, and this is just a guaranteed way to do it every single month. So there you have it. If you enjoy unboxing try-on videos, give me a thumbs up down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this one. I appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell if you'd like to be notified. All those things help YouTube's algorithm to grow my channel, and I definitely appreciate it. And thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. Come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time for new videos, and I hope you all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.